Do you always run out of credit right when you need it most? Well, I've got a little hack for you. It's time to activate Top Up Reminder on doctorSIM. And guess what? It's free, super easy. First, recharge your number like always. Then enter your email, tick the box. Remind me to recharge this number. Choose how often you want us to remind you. And boom, when the time comes, you'll get an email reminding you to recharge. Automatic. No thinking required. Got multiple lines? No problem. You can set it up for all of them. One reminder per number if you like. Want to change or delete a reminder? Easy. Just head to My Reminders in your account. Seriously, this saves you from that out of credit at the worst moment situation. So, what are you waiting for? Recharge, activate the reminder, and forget about keeping track.